Hi and welcome. So we came at evening around at 6 o'clock after ride. Now we will be going to Surat for a few walk and exploring some food and more. So stay tuned. I'll take you to Surat and what all we can do once you're in Gujarat.
Salam Namaste ne Maja. So Maja Marte Marte, I had bought something from Decathlon and I didn't like it, so I wanted to exchange. Being their loyal customer, but in general as well, they are very good and very
This is
helpful.
Decathlon Surat that I have come to. It's a very beautiful place that they have made. Let's see, I've come to exchange my things, and once I get my exchange done, if I get something, I will really love it. Imagine the whole court they have made. It's so beautiful. Let's go inside and explore what all they have inside. This is their store. This is their checkout, I think. Beautiful one. I'll keep you posted. Nice, cute swimwears and all. So they've been kind enough to give me the exchange. Let's see what I get. And this is their store. It's beautiful. They have the cycles. The look is also very aesthetic. Very, pretty different one. The skate section. I don't know, there's some fan section they've got. The jackets, the hoodies. And the store goes right up to there. They've got sale as well.
So this diamond boards, what my friend is talking about, it's a modern marvel. It is the Surat Diamond Boards inaugurated in December 2023. This sprawling complex boasts around 7.1 million square feet of floor space, spanning 35 acres, imagine, surpassing the US Pentagon as the world's largest office building. बस उसको देखते देखते रनिश को भूख लगा. He's like, Nilofer, let's try something. So we tried our patties from JP Biscuit. Both mast tha.
Evening times in India is basically like you can go around, move around, either have a walk or maybe look for a source where you can eat and all. So this is how we as family back here in India do is at night time. We explore places where we can go and then apparently look for options where we can hunt on. So the option for today that we are going to go is called Mamra. Mamra is basically nothing but a seed kebabs that we eat. Here, you don't get in pieces, you get it in kilograms and on the way. So I'll show you as we go there and explore what we are going to opt for, and then I'll show you the way this guy was and now how he has gone big. As we explore, you will see that how you get here not on the number of pieces but on the number of weight. So when we'll go, I'll tell you about not only the Sikh kebab but other options also that we'll explore. So stay tuned for the same. Here we are at Chikli. If you see, the name of the shop is called Zeba Chicken. If you want to come to eat Mamra anytime to Chikli, we've come all the way from Navsari to Chikli now. So this is how the whole thing is. I'll show you the whole setup. Basically, you'll see always it is full. When he started, it was not like this, and the place was also not like this. But now if you see, it's like crazy. You have to have waiting. People are waiting. And then I'll take you to the kitchen as well, how it goes.
The location is Chikli Vanthada Road near Anand Hospital, Thala, Chikli, Gujarat. You see how full it is. Let me take you to the tour.
This is where they are cooking. It's really hot here. You see all the things being just literally barbecued. These are wings, Sikh, chicken, kaleji. Kaleji is basically lamb, then wings. You see the whole thing. Kebab. Okay. And there the coals are already lit up. That is how they all get the lit up done, and finally then it will be on there. See, it's just going on. And there is the cashier there. This is how the kebabs are made.
So as we watch the kebab being made, I'm soon going to go to the menu as well. From here, it is all done. Then they barbecue on that whole setup you have seen. Now, this place, ideally, if you see prior, it was not this well done. Well done is the seating area and hygiene matter. But now, with time, he's really done. He's renovated the place. Not that high that you see it's renovated, but it's way better than what I had come when I was dating Greenwich. That is somewhere in 2021, I guess. Yes, just post COVID.
This is a salad that they give us. And the parsley in case it is left, they give you from here. These are all going to be cooled down and then washed. They bring it from their barbecue, so then here it is empty.
They have high rate of employment if you see, and this station is where the barbecue comes, and you see how they are saying a so 500 1 kilo means 250 grams, 500 grams or 1 kg. Like I told you, here you get on weight, not on plate. So every station there are people and a lot of employees are working like you're seeing, and they will, as it is, keep giving as the orders are for the particular table. I was really intrigued with this auntie and very proud of her, the way she was handling, half kg, this, that, and all. And this comes the whole setup where he was just turning it like, wow, this is a scene. बस फिर सरिये पे सरिये फिरते गए हमारी भूख बढ़ते गई टेबल आई थिंक बाय दिस टाइम मिल चुका था हमको वेटिंग इज समथिंग आपको सीखना पड़ेगा इफ यू कम हियर फोन करके आए तो भी ही टेल यू कि आना मत आना एंड ऑल दैट नाउ वी गो टू द सेक्शन जहाँ पे पोछा पोछी होती है सो पीछे बर्तन घसे जा रहे हैं और यहाँ पे दीज लेडीज आर वॉशिंग इट वाइपिंग इट सॉरी टू बिगिन विद जैसे ही आप टेबल पे बैठोगे आपको सैलेड और लेमन दिया जाएगा फिर ये पीछे जहाँ पे बर्तन आई टोल्ड यू आर बीइंग वॉश्ड सो यू सी हाउ मेनी पीपल आर एक्चुअली एम्प्लॉयड and majorly they have got senior citizens so retirement is nothing that you can think of here आप जैसा चाहो मस्त कर सकते हैं अपना now watch this is the next very interesting thing I ate or you get here in fact this is called चावल का पुडला okay means a pancake type और ये चावल का पुडला next level है आंटी को पूछा कितने बनाते पता है दिन में शी लाइक मैंने कभी गिना नहीं so very nicely she was doing there are few more behind I'll take you through the whole tour
रोज के कितने बनाते रहेंगे आप रोज के कितने बनाते रहेंगे आप क्या मालूम कितने बनाते गिनती नहीं करते हम लोग अच्छा
तो ये चावल का आटा जो होता है उसके अंदर पानी डालते हैं और फिर कुछ तो डालते होंगे आई एम श्योर इसकी वजह से वो इतने मस्त नहीं क्या डोसे जैसे बन रहे हैं बट टेस्ट बहुत क्लास है आई लव इट
कहाँ से आए आप मैं अफ्रीका नायरोबी Nairobi, Africa. हमारे यहाँ सीधा नहीं. So I asked auntie how many does she cook every day. She's like, I don't count them, they are countless. And it's a beautiful way that she's making. So this is the liquid. She pours in this and then that is how she's splitting it. This is called rice no pudlo. So basically it's like a pancake of rice that they make and then that is how they eat. So here you don't get rotis or anything. Majorly this is what you will get. So it's a whole busy kitchen you will see. There are few made here as well. I'll show you. She is handling 4 in one go. Here as well these 3 people are handling all these 4 in one go. So if you see this is how the whole rice pancakes are made. The way you saw the people are here all over that is how it is see even this so there are many people who are handling at one go for the rush and this is the rice liquid that they make here the lemons are being cut very beautifully it's done the whole kitchen is being managed very well You see the spices and all kept here, and from here is where they coordinate to go all over. See the traffic. People are not reducing at all, and we have waiting. We've got our table, but still, if you see end to end everywhere, you will find people literally eating, enjoying, and it's a very nice place because majorly what you get is your barbecue things, and all these barbecue things you see here, all these barbecues are what are made here. It's a beautiful way. If you want to eat something which is barbecue and you're missing, you will get it here. See, it's a busy place.
जब तक हम इंतजार कर रहे थे, मैंने सोचा चलो अपन इनका मेन्यू दिखाते हैं। तो ये इनका पूरा मेन्यू है, वॉल पे, फिर पेपर पे भी मिला, और जो मैंने आपको बोला था ना वेट के हिसाब से, अब वो आएगा। गॉड, मैं वहां पर गई और एक अंकल मेरे को चिल्लाने लगे, आप क्या वीडियो ले रहे हो, हमारा फीडबैक लो, मैं आधे घंटे से रुका हूँ, खाना नहीं मिल रहा, ये वो जो चिल्ला रहे थे अंकल। मैंने बोला शांति। फिर अंकल ने शांति पकड़ी या नहीं पता नहीं, मैं आ गई अपने टेबल पे। ये हमारा तंदूरी आ गया सबसे पहला, इतना गर्म था मेरे से, लेकिन वेट ही नहीं हो रहा था। मतलब मेरे को तो खाना है बॉस। तो वो अंकल भी पता नहीं उनको खाना मिला नहीं मिला, ही वाज सो हाइपर, लिटरली मेरे को चिल्लाते। मैंने बोला अंकल हम तो बस ब्लॉग कर रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि अंकल मेरे रिश्तेदार हैं। तो अपनी टीचरगिरी करते हुए मैंने उनको बोला थोड़ा सा सबूर बहुत अच्छी बात होती है। बस मेरे से तो रुका नहीं गया, मैं मस्त दबा रही, व्हाइल यू आर वाचिंग मी, मैं दबाते हुए। तो हम लोग ने क्या क्या मंगाया है, ये पहले जो आप देख रहे हो दिस इज कॉल्ड चिकन तंदूरी। Okay, they have fried, they have sekela. Sekela is barbecued like I showed you. So I think this is barbecued. इतना गरम था लेकिन मेरे से ना कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा था। मतलब इनका टेस्ट नेक्स्ट लेवल है। बस फिर क्या, पहली चीज आई, मैंने पहला जस्ट रॉ टेस्ट किया, फिर लेमन डाला, फिर ये आया हमारा मामड़ा। मामड़ा इज नथिंग बट सीख कबाब। ये जो आप ऊपर देख रहे थे जो फर्स्ट चीज थी, दैट वाज कलेजी, लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, चिकन लिवर। ठीक है, मैंने फटाफट अपनी प्लेट भरी। बॉस जो भूख लगी थी मेरे को, मैंने जैसे तैसे अपना टाइम काटा, कंट्रोल किया। मैंने बोला पहले व्लॉग करेंगे क्योंकि एक बार खाना आया फिर मैं इधर उधर नहीं देखने वाली। सो दिस इज द मामड़ा दैट यू सी। बस मैंने अपनी प्लेट भरी, कांदा लिया, नींबू लिया, सब कुछ लिया और खाने लगी। मैंने पुडला के लिए वेट भी नहीं किया। फिर ये पहला है अपना चिकन का कलेजी, वेरी हॉट बट वेरी टेस्टी। मतलब कोलसे पे पकाई हुई चीज, इफ यू कैन रिलेट, टेस्ट बहुत अच्छी मारती है। फिर मैंने नींबू डाला और मैंने बोला इसका टेस्ट एनहांस करते। थोड़े से हम अंग्रेज है, पूछने आदत है, अभी क्या करेंगे। एनीवेज, तो ये गरम गरम भी हम खा रहे थे, जो ठोकरे मुंह में ठोकरे ही ठोकरे। एनीवेज, क्योंकि मैंने 2 दिन प्रॉपर खाना नहीं खाया था, सो दिस वाज माय अपॉर्चुनिटी कि मैं अच्छे से डिवाउर करूं। फिर ये हमारा पुडला आते आते मेरा वेट नहीं हो रहा था मेरे से, मैंने बोला चलो थोड़ी और चिकन दबाते। चिकन दबाए, फिर मैंने सीख खाया। ये मस्त जूसी, टेंडर और मसाला बोलेंगे ना, एक नंबर लगाया है। तो जो भी साइड इन लोग दे रहे सैलेड्स, उसके साथ खाने में और पेयरअप करने में मजा आता है। फिर आया हमारा पुडला का ऑर्डर लेने। जस्ट इमेजिन, इतना सब खा लिया हम, देन ही केम फॉर द ऑर्डर। तो फिर हमारा ऑर्डर लेके वो जब तक आया, मैंने हम तो चालू रहेंगे। जो मेरे चेहरे पे खुशी हुई ये चावल का पुडला देख के, और पैनकेक, जो भी आप बोलो, आहा हा, नथिंग लाइक इट। नाउ सी द एक्साइटमेंट, कितना बड़ा है ये। ओके, और नाइस जालीदार वाला। इसको ऐसे तोड़ने का, इसके बीच में ऐसा सीख कबाब रखने का, द वे आई एम गोना शो यू नाउ। फिर चटनी में, आई एम ड्रूलिंग, ओके सॉरी। तो इसको ऐसा चटनी में डुबाने का और खाने का, आहा हा, जन्नत याद नहीं आई ना तो मेरा नाम चेंज कर लेना। इतना मस्त बनाता है ये। एक्चुअली दिस आइडिया वाज ऑफ माय फादर इन लॉ। ही इज लाइक पूरी फैमिली मिलके चलो कहीं तो खाने जाते हैं। तो हम लोग यहाँ पे खाने आए। लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, रैंडम इंडियन इवनिंग्स दैट वी डू। तो दिस इज लेट नाइट डिनर दैट वी हैड प्लान्ड। फिर भी हम लोग जल्दी निकले। आई टोल्ड देम कि लेट नहीं जाएंगे। Danish wanted to have gravy and rice, तो हम लोग ने gravy and rice भी order किया, that is of chicken again. ये अभी बाहर end में is mawa.
This is called mawa, which is a specialty of Surat. So majorly you'll see people rubbing it in their hand. That is nothing but this. So she's packing it wherever people come, and if they wish to eat, that is how she'll give. These are the pans that we eat. It's basically for the digestion. After food, majorly you'll see. In this you'll get with tobacco. Yeah, he's opening for us. But this is a normal one where you can eat it for digestion. So inside you've got gulkan, then there is tutti frutti, you get some coconut, cherries and fennel seeds. So this is very good for digestion. Generally they add clove as well. I don't know why there is no clove.
पूरा खाने का रहता है
मुझे पूरा नहीं खाना था. You're supposed to put the whole thing.
That's my cute mother-in-law who's like open egg bite love. So finally, Malsu Bijiwa, Tyasudi Ekdam Saru, Dhyan Rakho. Do like, share, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. If you're enjoying, you have any questions for me, do let me know. अब ये अंकल जो मेरे को चिल्ला रहे थे, they had come all the way from Daman, कि खाना नहीं मिला. I wanted to ask him, मिल गया ना, मजे मारो.